Everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Pluto TV app. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page we will search about the application of Pluto TV and we click. Here in this page of app info we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.